Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I will be talking to you about Dermalogica Skin Resurfacing Cleanser. The Skin Resurfacing Cleanser is a 2-in-1 product that thoroughly cleanses and exfoliates the skin in one easy step. Now this cleanser retexturizes skin suffering from visible signs of aging by accelerating skin turnover and fortifies the skin's natural moisture barrier, leaving the skin feeling really smooth in just one application. The use of the Skin Resurfacing Cleanser prepares the skin for maximum penetration of active ingredients. It contains key ingredients such as lactic acid, which smooths and retexturizes, vitamin E, which is a rich antioxidant that improves the skin's softness and smoothness, and rose flower oil that will help soothe and calm skin sensitivity. Now this is suitable for mature or prematurely aging skin. Apply morning and night, lightly lather in your hands and apply to damp face and throat, massaging with light upward strokes, avoiding the eye area. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Now the Skin Resurfacing Cleanser works great with your antioxidant Hydra Mist and your Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50. So if you would like to purchase the Skin Resurfacing Cleanser, please go onto our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.